स्पिनच इज अ सुपर फूड बट यू आर ईटिंग इट रॉन्ग। घर पे आपकी मम्मी भी बोलती होंगी पालक खाओ, आयरन मिलेगा, सेहत अच्छी रहेगी, बट उनको भी ये नहीं पता कि पालक से सिर्फ 2% आयरन ही आपकी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब होता है। वहीं अगर इसी पालक को आप नींबू के साथ लो तो इसका आयरन अच्छी तरह एब्जॉर्ब हो सकता है। एक केस में इसके गलत कंजम्पशन से एक लेडी की किडनीज सिर्फ 10 दिन में फेल हो गई। Hi, I'm Dr. Arti, and in this video, we're going to talk about 5 very common mistakes that you should avoid while eating palak. And number 3 is something most of us are doing. But remember, as we spoke earlier, palak is a superfood, provided it is consumed in the right way. तो इस वीडियो के एंड तक you will know exactly how to eat spinach. Let's first start with the biggest mistake of eating palak for iron. Now, everyone says palak is a source of iron, but studies have shown that your body absorbs only 1 to 2% of iron in palak, meaning 98% gets flushed out through your kidneys. और इसका रीजन palak contains chemicals like phytates, polyphenols and oxalates, and this binds to iron molecule and prevents the absorption by more than 50%. और अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हो तो relying on palak as your iron source can do more damage over time and even worsen anemia. अब अगली गलती जो लोग करते हैं वो है ठंड के दिनों में पालक का सूप या फिर स्मूदी बना के पीना, ये सोचकर कि ये बहुत ही हेल्दी है। हमने शुरुआत में बताया था कि there are documented cases where kidneys have completely shut down after overconsumption of spinach smoothies. ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि रॉ स्पिनच में 500 से 1000 mg ऑफ ऑक्सलेट्स विच इज इनफैक्ट 10 टाइम्स मोर देन मोस्ट वेजिटेबल्स होता है। ये ऑक्सलेट असल में प्लांट्स का डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म होता है अगेंस्ट एनिमल्स एंड पेस्ट्स, बट रॉ स्मूदीज के लिक्विड फॉर्म में ये ऑक्सलेट्स सीधा किडनी तक जाते हैं जहां ये कैल्शियम से मिलकर पथरी बना सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द किडनी स्टोन्स आर कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट स्टोन्स। The third mistake you need to know और ये सबसे कॉमन है, that is combining palak with high calcium foods like paneer. अब पालक पनीर किसको नहीं पसंद, but as doctors we understand how bad it is because when you combine them you are absorbing almost no calcium from paneer and no iron from palak. They bind together, form crystals and pass right through your kidneys. तो इनको साथ खाने से अच्छा है eat palak separately from dairy by at least 2 to 3 hours. This simple timing change can actually maximize your nutrient absorption. Now the second last mistake happens if you eat raw palak while having thyroid issues. Your thyroid function can get disrupted, causing hormone imbalance and it can also worsen your thyroid conditions. ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि palak contains goitrogenic compounds which can block your iodine uptake. Now this iodine is actually the raw material for your thyroid. इसलिए thyroid patients must be very careful. Instead of taking raw spinach, always make sure you clean, boil and cook it properly. And if you take thyroid medication, consume palak at least 3 hours away from your medicine. Now the final and the most dangerous mistake is that you should never eat palak if you have these underlying conditions. Number 1, if you have kidney diseases, your kidneys cannot flush out potassium and oxalate. Second, if you are on blood thinners. Palak is extremely high in vitamin K, which can cause blood clotting and that can actually cause strokes. Third, if you have hyperoxaluria, palak is actually poisonous for you and should be completely avoided. And last, if you had gastric bypass surgery, it increases oxalate absorption by 50%, making palak especially dangerous. Now, having said that, palak does have excellent health benefits if you are consuming it right. So let's talk about the ways in which you can unlock the iron from spinach, reduce the oxalates and get the maximum benefit of this superfood. Always steam or boil palak for 3 to 5 minutes. Now this destroys goitrogens and removes 60% of oxalates. Never juice raw palak. Then pair it with something rich in vitamin C. Food जैसे कि आंवला या नींबू. When you do this, vitamin C overcomes your oxalate inhibition and increases iron absorption up to 6 times. So squeeze that fresh lemon on your palak. And yes, you can add tomatoes while cooking. Now make sure you eat palak 2 to 3 hours away from your dairy product. और अगर आप thyroid medication लेते हैं तो keep it at least 3 hours apart. लेकिन इसको रोज मत खाओ. A study found eating spinach more than 8 times per month may increase your kidney stone risk by 30%. So try limiting it to 1 to 2 servings per week. So this was about palak. So enjoy your palak without doing these 5 mistakes. And if you know someone who's making spinach smoothies daily, thinking they are healthy, share this video with them too. So stay healthy, stay informed, and stay safe.